Oh man, finally got my portfolio together. Let me try to get on Indeed and find a job. Okay, this is the website everybody talking about, Indeed. What we got here? We got Arco Murray, photography. No, I want to do graphic design. AAMA, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Creative Suite, and Adobe Photoshop. I don't even use Adobe like that, man. Oh, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Creative Suite. Oh my gosh. Adobe InDesign, Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Photoshop. Oh, I don't have Photoshop. What am I supposed to do? What is good? What is good? How y'all doing, man? I ain't seen you in a while. How you feeling? I am V. I'm your host for today, and today we're gonna talk about this Adobe Creative Suite, right? Not just Photoshop. We're gonna talk about the whole suite and why you should get it, right? Now, I know it comes with a price. It's not super expensive, but if things are tight right now, you know, your pockets is hurting a little bit, then $56 a month can be extremely expensive. Trust me, I know. I've been there, and listen, $5 a month was expensive to me. So I get it. But if you're really serious about this, if you're really ready to buckle down, then get this Adobe Creative Suite. It's life-changing. For one, it's the industry standard, right? If you apply for any type of graphic design position, any type, UX, UI, regular graphic design, entry graphic design, if you apply for any type of corporate type position, you're gonna need the knowledge of Photoshop, Illustrator, and possibly InDesign. That's it. You're gonna have to know how to work these because that's what everybody uses. So you're gonna have to know how to use these programs. Now they got some, free trials that you can probably play with, but them free trials, 7 days, sometimes you get 14 days, and you learn what you can in that little time, and maybe you can get through it some type of way, the interview process, or get to the job some type of way through that. But get the Adobe Suite. I'm not a sponsor by any means. I'm not getting sponsored. Nobody's paying me, even though they should. But I'm not getting paid at all, man. I'm just telling you what it is and what you need to be doing to, excel in your career of graphic design, because that's what we're here for, right? Now, another reason why you should get the Adobe Suite is because most of their tools work across platforms. Like the eyedropper tool is exactly the same in Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You know what I mean? The paintbrush, exactly the same. Shortcuts and everything, exactly the same. So once you learn some of these tools in one program, and Photoshop is probably gonna be most people's first program. So once you learn these tools in one program, you will have knowledge of this tool in other programs, and it just carries over a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, that way you don't have to learn all these separate types of program things, tools and shortcuts and commands and how these tools work, because the way it works in one program is pretty much how it works in the other program. That's a huge plus for somebody trying to learn multiple programs at once, because you need different programs to do different things. Having the tools seamlessly work across all these programs helps out a whole lot. And because they're all Adobe products, you have a good copy paste. Like, I could take a vector from Illustrator, Command C in Photoshop, and that vector comes up in Photoshop. And I could work back and forth. I can change the Illustrator file. Now that Illustrator file in Photoshop changes as well. So, they work together, basically. That's basically what I'm saying. A lot of these programs work together. Last but not least, you should try to get this Adobe Suite, because Adobe doesn't only have graphic design tools, right? I became a videographer just from having a suite, because now, after doing graphic design for so long, I want to do video, right? Guess what? You got Adobe After Effects and you got Adobe Premiere Pro already there. I'm paying for it, might as well try to use it. So I learned how to edit videos and do little special effects with, After Effects. With any other software, you have to get these video editing tools as separate programs. Now you got dimensions. I even did a cartoon and character animator.
I thought I had a down fish once too. She was a real groovy fish. I tried to give her the game, I told her dig. Shake them fins for the men's, work the pole for the gold, make the right move or be shark food. But she didn't understand, she was just a guppy trying to swim with the whales, you under dig?
These are all Adobe products. Obviously, well not obviously, but I do websites, so I use Dreamweaver often. Adobe XD for your UX, UI designers. Not only do you have Photoshop, you got Lightroom, that's for your photographers, you know, who can, specifically to edit photos. They got Adobe Spark. It's all type of programs in Adobe, man. So what I'm saying is, if you got it, get it. Don't cheap your way through trying to get these free programs and trying to use these free softwares, because in the long run, you're gonna need Adobe if you're trying to be a graphic designer. There's pretty much no way around it. Yeah, so that's the topic for today. Get Adobe Creative Suite. I'm not getting paid for this. So what you can do though, is give me a like, hit a comment, subscribe, and that's how I get paid. Look, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever you got, follow me on that because I'm on that. And I'll see y'all next time. Clay Vision Designs, peace.